number 3, which leads us to the number 3 topic, yung how automation helps maintain balance. So, one of the best things about digital entrepreneurship po is that we don't have to be online 24/7 to make it work. So, the automation do it for us para po makagawa po kami ng iba pang bagay na importante. So we have automation. Our system helps filter and educate potential clients even while we're sleeping, eating, spending time with family, or doing other things. So automation is a game changer when juggling business, family, and work. So it helps us save time, it reduces stress, and focus on what truly matters. So, yun, instead of spending hours manually messaging people, automation allows us to focus